Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Attila Pinke, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that the total cryptocurrency market cap hits the record 1 trillion US dollar. So it's growing and growing heavily now. The second news I have to talk about is that I think Bitcoin correction can come actually soon. We'll see how big it will be, but again, we're getting in euphoria right now, so it's very, very important to have a correction. It would be actually very, very healthy and good for Bitcoin. And the third news is all about that Ethereum is also getting closer and closer to its all-time high, which is around 100 and 500 US dollar. You know, Ethereum was already above $1,200. Therefore, Ethereum new all-time high is maybe coming up sooner than we expected. Guys, that's it, and that will be in today's video. And if you would like to get this kind of daily cryptocurrency and blockchain news, the only thing you have to do, really like this video, because then you show YouTube that crypto content is important for you. And then it's very important to hit the subscribe button, then the bell button, and then all. So you will be subscribed to this channel, and therefore you will receive immediately the videos as soon as they on YouTube. And this is very important because it's a time-sensitive content. It's very important in this kind of bull market to get everything on time, not a couple of days or weeks later whenever you find it on YouTube, because YouTube won't give it to you straight away. You have to subscribe and do the steps what I just told you. And also, don't forget, you should really educate yourself. Get as much information as possible. First of all, we have a course totally free, how to start to invest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. The link is under this video. You can just learn all the basics, what you need to know before you jump in this whole kind of crypto investment business. And then we have another course which is all about understanding Bitcoin and blockchain. Before you invest in Bitcoin, educate yourself why you believe in it. Otherwise, it will be just kind of gambling. So you should know what's Bitcoin and blockchain all about. There's another course about this. And now it's time to check out the market. So Bitcoin hitting again new all-time highs. Look at now, $37,434, which is more than an 8% increase in the last 24 hours. Ethereum above $1,200, also similar to Bitcoin, 8% up. And then when we're looking at the winners, Stellar still going since yesterday and before, you know, it started to go up, 34% increase. And then we see now XRP jumped very much, interestingly, but you know, it was of course in the package because it dumped so much, and there are so many XRP believers. Now they push it up a little bit. And then we have Year in Finance going up 27% in the last 24 hours. Let's check out the losers, which we don't have today, just like yesterday. A totally green day. Now crypto market as it all doing very, very well. Bitcoin is also doing great. And therefore, we reached the new all-time high market cap. The total cryptocurrency market value hits now the record 1 trillion US dollar. And at its prior peak, late in 2017, the market cap total capitalization was just above 760 billion, according to TradingView. So this is definitely a new all-time high in this. And roughly the present Bitcoin is 69%, okay? And this kind of Bitcoin dominance, probably it will drop after Ethereum is getting all-time high. And also when the old coins starting, just like they're doing now, crazy, the DeFi coins and many others. So this will change the Bitcoin dominance, actually. And, you know, the second thing I wanted to talk about is that we are in kind of short-term danger, put it this way, because it's so big, this euphoria what we have right now, that price is going up and up and up. We had a correction in Bitcoin. It was almost a 20%, roughly like this, like, a couple of days ago. And it hasn't changed really anything. There's this, the Nupal indicator. And this Nupal indicator always shows when it's coming to this blue area. And this was the top at the bull market, for example, back in 2017, beginning of 2018. After that, you can expect a drop, a significant drop many times. And if you're looking at it now, we are actually getting very, very close to this. And I don't like it, to be honest with you, because this indicator is quite accurate. Of course, we don't know the future. Maybe things are changing. But so far, whenever it got to blue, after it was a drop. And what happened recently with this minus 20% at the beginning of the year, it was bought up so quickly that it hasn't really changed, here, this area. And therefore, I would be very, very happy to see a great correction, seeing Bitcoin price going down, going a bit sideways, that, now lets people sell Bitcoin, make some profit, because it would really establish the position where we are. And then we can reach new all-time highs. However, if this is not stopping what is now, this just buy without correction, just the parabola going up, it's never a good sign in long term. Right now, the trend, it's totally bullish. It hasn't changed. So even there are short-term corrections, the trend is bullish. So this is great. But if this continues in this speed, what's happening right now, that could be dangerous. And we should expect now, sooner or later, some correction. If we're looking at the Fibonacci levels, then we can see that around 39,500, something like that, we should have some kind of corrections. We can see already people, whales, putting money on exchanges, and maybe this can come up soon. So if you are a long-term hodler, right now, you're not in danger at all if there is like a correction. If you are doing you have like a trading portfolio, which is, do daytime trades, then be aware, keep an eye on it, because things can change very soon. Now it's crazy as Bitcoin price is going up, and it will be totally healthy. And it's part of it. Just think back in 2016-17, in that bull market, we had about 6 or 7 significant drops, like 20-30% drops, and it was totally normal. Okay, and actually back then these deep parts stayed there longer. Now, on the other hand, we can see that even it just went down there, just quickly, people, institutions, they just bought Bitcoin and they pushed back the price. And now it's a good question. How long? What's the limit for institutional investors to jump in? Because now they are really coming and buying that. But what's the level? It won't be forever, this kind of thing. However, on the other hand, of course, those who are left out now and join the train just a bit later, they of course will come. So now it's very interesting situation. And so this is the things I want to talk about, because alts are doing pretty well right now. Bitcoin is doing very well. The biggest altcoin, Ethereum, is doing well. And talking about Ethereum, let's move to this, because it's also getting very close now to all-time high. Just think about it. Its weekly gains of Ethereum was 62%. So it's nothing from now on, if the speed continues, or it's just like part of it, that Ethereum will reach its all-time high, which was back in 2018, beginning of it, which was around 1,500 US dollar. Now we are at the level 1,200, as you could see, just slightly bit over it. But if that continues, it could be easily happening that Ethereum is reaching all-time high. And then we'll see what's next. I can totally imagine that Ethereum will go in this bull market, whatever it will be, to 20,000, 10,000, 20,000, because it's totally doable. From now on, it still can do 10 or 15x. And what we don't know, how this bull market will, work out. Because what happened recently, it was that Bitcoin went up to 20,000 and there was a significant drop and then it went down, all to 4,000 or something. However, now that institutions joined the game, this changed a lot. It also can happen that the drop, it won't be that significant after the peak of the bull market than it was before. Of course, there will be a bear market coming, it's no question, because that's how the whole thing works, up and down, up and down. But how much it would come down, this is a good question. And when it will reach its bottom and turn back, this is also very interesting. Will we continue with this 4-year cycles, which we can attach basically to Bitcoin halving, which happened, also in this year, and also it was before the bull markets. Will this continue, or it will totally change because Bitcoin becomes such a big, strong asset over the years, that it won't go down. It's just moving up, or the same thing will happen, just what happened before. This is what we don't know, but we should expect drops in the bull market. It's totally healthy. Don't worry about it. And sooner or later, when we reach the top of it, which could be, for example, end of the year, something like that, beginning of next year, then we will see how much it will drop. But things are changing now very fast. The trend is bullish, so things looking right now positive. I'm just a bit afraid that it would be nice to have some correction, some stronger correction, go down, go sideways, a little bit chill, and then continue. And that would be actually healthy in longer terms, in my opinion. So, guys, that's it for today. Don't forget, hit the like button so YouTube knows that you like crypto content, and also subscribe to this YouTube channel to get these daily videos which keep you up to date in blockchain and cryptocurrency. Subscribe, bell button, and then all, and then you will get these videos as soon as they're out. I wish you a great day, and of course tomorrow I'm coming back with the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news. Have a good one. Bye bye.